Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to change country in Google Play Store, so let's get started. Open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon at the top right. From the menu, go to Settings, then tap General and Open Account and Device Preferences. Scroll down to find the Country and Profiles section. If you've moved to another country or are using a payment method from a new region, the option to switch will appear. Tap the country name and create a new payments profile. Press Continue to start. Now, you must add a valid payment method from that country, such as a local debit or credit card. Due to privacy, this step won't appear in the recording, so make sure to complete it manually. After that, enter your name and the address for the selected country. Google will verify your new profile using this information. Once finished, the Play Store will switch to show apps and pricing for the selected country, such as the US. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.